Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change scenery in Clash of Clans. So open Clash of Clans app. After opening the Clash of Clans app, you have to tap on your town hall. So tap on your town hall. Then you will see the change scenery option. Tap on change scenery option. Now here you will see the list of scenery available to you. Since I have not reached the level 14, so it is not showing jungle scenery, and in level 15 you will get the magic scenery. So I am the beginner, so this is the classic scenery. So you can select this scenery if you have crossed the level 14 or level 15. You can click on eye icon to see how scenery looks, and then you can select the scenery that you want to select and then click on select option. In my case it is not showing select option, but you will see the select option, and after you click on select option, the current scenery will be applied to your village. So by this way you can change the scenery in Clash of Clans. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.